First, welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Now, do you want your MAYTAG dryer to sound like this? Instead of like this. These are the tools you'll need. Impact driver, flat head screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, T25 Torx screwdriver bit, hex extension, 5/16 hex driver bit, 1/4 hex driver bit, 14 mm socket, 1/4 socket adapter. Let's unpack the new dryer hardware. I will have all these parts in the description below. In this pack, you get 4 brand new, coated front and rear support roller shafts. And in this box, you get 4 brand new drum wheels, idler pulley with an extra wheel and brackets and a belt. Before we begin, unplug dryer from the outlet. Make sure you also don't have any extra weight in the storage or the drum. We'll be moving the dryer. First, pull out the dryer so you could get in the back of the dryer. Remove the front screws using the T25 Torx bit. Now use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. On the 2 back, use the 5/16 hex driver bit. Remove the top cover. Unplug all the cables from the motherboard. Now use the 1/4 hex driver bit to unscrew and remove the front control panel. Now remove the 7 screws holding the front panel, then take off the panel. 3 on top and 4 on bottom. Remove the lint filter before removing the panel. Now unscrew and remove the motherboard. Remove 4 screws holding the bulkhead. Remove the 4 screws, hold the duct lint. Don't forget to unplug the wiring. Carefully remove the bulkhead from the dryer. To remove the belt, pull left on the pulley and move the belt. Remove the drum and belt. Now, find out which one makes the screeching sound. We're still replacing all the parts. Let's prepare the replacement parts. Use the 5/16 hex to remove the idler pulley and replace with new one. Now, use a small flathead screwdriver and carefully remove tri-rings. Do the same to all the wheels. The axles and the wheels should not be rusty. Now, you'll need a 14mm socket to remove the nuts and support rollers. Install the new support rollers and nuts. The nuts for the front tighten clockwise. Remove the screw holding the pipe exhaust. Remove the dryer duct. To replace the back support rollers, we have to remove the back panel to access. It's held by 14 screws, 10 on the back and 4 on your top. Pull out the pipe. Unplug the wires and move the panel to make some room. Use the 14mm socket to loosen both rear nuts. These nuts loosen clockwise. Now go inside the dryer and remove and replace the support rollers and nuts by hand. Tighten the new support roller counterclockwise. New and old parts. Now, tighten all the nuts using 14mm socket. Rep plug and the wiring for the back panel. Put the bulkhead back on and tighten with the screws. Put the back bracket back on and tighten. Put the pipe back inside through the collar. Secure the dryer duct on the pipe. Tighten the pipe with a screw. Carefully add a tri-ring, wheel, and tri-ring to each support roller. Since the back rollers are on, let's put back the drum with a new belt and make sure the belt line is closer to the back. Make sure the drum seal is over the wheels and the wheels are under the seal. Now tighten the belt around the dryer motor pulley and the idler pulley. Replace the tri-rings and wheels on the bulkhead. Do the same with the bulkhead. Wheels behind the drum seal. Now, since the wheels, tri-rings, and support rollers are replaced, time to tighten and put everything back on. Replug in the dryer into the outlet. This is how a MAYTAG dryer should sound like.